Hi everyone, and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. I am not sure where the time has gone. It is hard to believe that it is already the 6th of December, and to be perfectly honest, I have gotten none of my Christmas shopping done. Today I'm really excited because finally my Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique box is here. Oh, you're thinking that box is kind of small? So was I. And I saw this one. And this box is really great too. I love this box. So let's see what's in here. I am really loving this box. There's all sorts of great things. Let me try to give you a close-up here. See all the great characters and the designs on here. This is a new subscription box for me. I think I want to say I saw Miss Cherry open it, and I'm just like, oh, that is so cool. I have got to get that subscription service. So I did. So this is the first month for this box. And like I said, I have 2 boxes. I chose to get the Ultimate Magic box, but then I also decided to get the stickers because I'm a sticker kind of girl. So let's open up this one first. I've already opened. Wow. I already broke the tape, but it's good. And it is the sticker subscription. Oh, these are so cute. And there's a magnet. I can see the magnet here. Okay. Let's see what kind of stickers we got. I can tell right now they're all really, really cute. And they're all Christmas themed. So here's one. I'll try to give you a close-up when this is all done rather than try to. And then this one. Oh, I love this one. Pluto's pulling them on a sleigh. And from Very Merry Christmas. And then this one is a magnet. Oh, I love this. So Mickey and Goofy are carrying the tree while Donald Duck is holding on and Pluto is looking on. That's a magnet, so that's going to go right on my whiteboard, my magnetic whiteboard, when I move it over into my new office. Okay, so I love the stickers. So let's get into the big box though. Okay. No peeking, packing, slip enclosed. So put that over there. And this is the inside of the box. I have such problems with box lids here. This is the inside of the box. Love that little sticker. I'm going to have to very carefully remove that so I can use that maybe in my journal. And of course there's all sorts of pretty confetti throughout here. Okay. Now I've rearranged, since my workspace is being moved over into the she shed, I have moved things around a bit, and I don't have the little stand that I usually put boxes on in front of me, so I might be a little unorganized at this moment. Oh, Star Wars bracelet set. Oh, I love these. And they have all sorts of Star Wars on them. Oh. And the bottom one here is on silver. It says Rebel Alliance. I love bracelets. Ah. And they're silver too, not gold. What a win. Love that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. There's all sorts of packing confetti here. With more of the little confettis. I am seeing a pair of silver Mickey ears. Oh. Okay. Slide this box over here for a minute. And of course, you can't go wrong with silver ears and purple hair. So, oh, I love those. Those are so cool. And I'm a silver girl rather than a gold girl, so these are great. Now, if they were purple, they'd be perfect, but they're great. Okay. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay. Oh, a pen. I am seeing a Star Wars theme here, because I'm seeing the item underneath it as well. This is a limited edition Star Wars pen, and it says Chewie is my co-pilot. Take that out. I love pins. Oh, wow. That is... Oh, I like that. Chewie is one of my favorite characters. Okay, now I have to get the item that was below that because... Oh, just because. A Darth Vader wallet. This is a Disney Park exclusive. Right there on the... It's by Loungefly. Oh, I like that. This is really, really nice. Oh, I like this. This does have the price tag on it. Of course, I don't have my glasses on at the moment. It is $50. I could see that. I can't see without my glasses. Oh, I'm liking that. That is cool. By Loungefly. So I definitely see a Star Wars theme going on. And I see another Star Wars. Oh my goodness. This is I guess, a facial, because it has 3 different steps in it. This step up here is intensive moisturizing serum. This one is recovery eye cream in this corner. And then the main one is a hydro lifting silver foil face mask. I wonder if I will look like a stormtrooper. That is so cool. I love that. And now that the heat is on, my skin is just so dry that I will definitely be using that. Did I not just say that I was going to use those stickers in my journal? 3 journaling notepads. And there's Star Wars theme. There is definitely a theme going on here. I'm going to open these up because that's the fun of opening these boxes, right? Is opening these. The future of the galaxy is female. This Princess Leia there says. This one says, "May the Force be with you." And then the third one says, oh, this one's right, hope. These are perfect. I am a list maker. I am always making lists of things, ideas that I want to do, of things I want to videotape, of shopping list, etc. So these are perfect for me. I love that they're Star Wars themed. Definitely a theme going on here. Oh, I think there's one more item. I think this is the last item. Oh, I can see this is a Turvis. I love these things. Wookiee hair. Don't care. I love this. And it's even funnier because you can see the top of my shirt says mermaid. Let me see if I can get you a better shot of what my shirt actually says. I swear, I did not know that this was going to be in here. And y'all noticed that it was purple too, right? I love Turvis cups. I have a great big huge Yoda one. We see a theme going on, don't we? So, this is a little one. And it does have that purple tint. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just purple because the card inside of it, but it is purple. Wookiee hair, don't care. That's perfect. Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, you knocked it out of the park. A favorite item. I But then I really like the wallet and the notebook. They're a really great box. And I love the stickers. Oh my, those are going into my journal, that is for sure. The no peeking has Donald all tangled up in lights, which is cute. But this piece of paper is defeating me. Okay. So on here it has it all totaled up, and it has $140.94. Now that's just the items. That doesn't include the stickers. I paid for the stickers separately. I am definitely liking the subscription box service. They hit it out of the park. I am a huge Star Wars fan. If you could see, if the camera was the other way, you could see that I have Star Wars lanyards. I love Star Wars pins. So these items are right up my alley. this concludes day 6. Wow, day 6. I can't remember what was tomorrow. I think we're going to bake some Christmas cookies because I am dying for some Christmas cookies. Actually, I'm just dying for chocolate chip cookies, which probably is not Christmassy, but we'll throw some Christmas cookies in there too. So tomorrow I think we are actually baking on day 7. Yay! Just that I need adding those calories back for those pounds that I'm losing, right? Anyways, thank you so much for being here and helping me unbox. I really like doing this Vlogmas. I get to talk to you every day, and I'm getting to meet so many other great Disney YouTubers that are out there with such great content. So if you like this content and you want to see what's going to go on for the rest of Vlogmas, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and the bell will notify you every time I upload content. But also, go out there and see what other great Disney content and just great Vlogmas content is out there on YouTube. There are some really great YouTubers out there. Until tomorrow, when we're going to go out there and bake some Christmas cookies, go out and do something great and have a magical day. Bye.